As I said before, that this lecture will be recorded. Okay. Now we capture it. We capture the screen with the audio. Okay. All lectures will be recorded for your reference. All right. Okay. Now you know me, sure, from yesterday. Okay. We will start directly in our software. I found that two guys from you used SketchUp before and 3D Max, okay, and you didn't use any 3D software yet, okay? Yes. All right. Sure. First, I will show you a quick demo about Solidworks. What is Solidworks? Okay. Solidworks is a 3D software, 3D parametric software. Okay. There's a big difference between Solidworks and 3D Max that you use. The concept is a one, modeling concept, it's okay, okay, but it's different.
Doesn't start with modeling. Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Just seamless guys. So yeah.
Okay.
Or break them after. Okay.
Continue.
Okay.
Right. Solidworks is a parametric software. You can drawing your parts, okay, and assemble it, all right, and simulate it, okay, and make a workshop drawing, all right. This means it's a big solution for production from the start, from idea, convert the idea to 3D model, okay, test your 3D model, all right, and assemble it, and workshop drawing for manufacturing, okay. This means that this software have to do all process from your start from idea on a sketch on the paper, okay, till get your product alive on your at your vision, okay. Now I will give you quick demo before starting in details. This software, if you get new file, new, you will get three divisions. What's that? All one of them have a special environment, okay? Now we have part, assembly, drawing, okay? We will start with the part. Start with the part. Yes. Part, I will draw, I will model, okay, a 3D part, if sheet metal, plastic, wood, whatever, okay, one part, alright. When I will draw more parts, okay, I will go to assembly with the next button, right? And I will assemble all these parts in one file, okay? After that, in assembly, I will test the assembly in motion, if this assembly have a special motion, okay? And I will install screws, nuts, washers, all accessories, all fittings, okay? And check dimension, if okay, if not okay, okay? After that, you will export drawings for manufacture, okay? Drawings include tables. All tables have an ID, have a job number, have a part number, have a material, have the quantity, okay? All information about drawing will be exported from this environment, right? This process is a fully process of your production, okay? If something has been missed from my words, please tell me, okay, to repeat. Haven't a problem, right?
You got it? How is it divided?
First, we'll go to the part. Double click. Oh, have an environment. What is environment? This environment has been divided into drawing area, okay, history, all the operations that you do or commands, and tools that you use in drawing, okay? All right. This area, each command you will do from here, you will show here, and its name will be in this area, okay? This means that your commands will be ordinated or arranged according to your steps you do, okay? So you can cancel step, you can delete step, you can modify, okay? That is a problem in C maps. If you will do and you need to modify something at the first time you do, okay, when you open the file blank, it's will be very hard to do that, okay? For example, like that. I will explain. Now I will get a quick demo and I will return to explain, okay? Like that. You have to do the dimensions, okay? You have a relation between lines like that. Middle, you can relate in now in the middle. Also you can get a relation of this in the middle and it's something like that. It's a big number. And you get extrude it to the specific thickness you need to be like that. Quick and easy. You can fillet corners with a specific number you need, radius 20. Also you can do that. And finally you can get a wall thickness 2 millimeters and do that. Okay, this model has been created in minutes or in seconds if you are correct. Okay, you will use this software with this speed because it's not complicated. Okay, just you know the tools and concept, modeling concept. Okay, you should plan before starting your models ready. Okay, you should plan how to draw, because these steps that we do, we did this extrude the first time. I do this sketch as a 2D sketch, rectangle and circle in middle. Okay, after that get extrude, convert this 2D to extruded. Okay, has been converted to solid model. After that fillet for edges. After that another fillet for the top of cylinder, and shell is the name of the command called shell. Okay, only select the face that I need to remove. I identify the wall thickness and he removes that just like that. Okay, all these commands, these are specific tools for drawing. You can draw any model you see. Okay, all right. Till now have a problem? Have any question? Any queries, you know? Okay. We will turn to explain by details and more slowly. File.
You will go to assembly and drawing before we continue, then you...
No, I will go to part today and don't confuse them because will be some.
Are you going to leave us software? Because we cannot apply that money to the leave us software.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
He will give us the software and this take for
Sure.
21 days to train us completely. So
I have the source.
Okay, so any job that we will get now, we will immediately implement the SolidWorks. If you can see, it is a combination of SketchUp and AutoCAD and 3D Max. You got it?
But not,
Do you feel not fast, or maybe you are not familiar to it?
maybe for me, the SolidWorks is good. Like in the mechanical, that is good. No problem. No double SolidWorks 100%. But in our side, of course, we have also some, like us, we use SketchUp, and then now we're also studying Lumion because the Lumion also, it's a rendering also. Once you change in SketchUp, it's linked already. But SolidWorks, no problem with that. But if you're gonna insist us to make it go to the SolidWorks directly, maybe some other 3D, of course.
Not all. It's not only rendering. What we are doing in technical here.
Yes,
Design.
no problem.
Design will be something else. Design, it will be the property of projects and operation app. They will design and render and do this
Okay.
stuff. Our work here requires precision for manufacturing, like the charging station.
Yes, but
like
we can use
yes.
it for the station.
This, you need some software like this to modify all. You know what you face, and on 2D there is no way that you can encounter the mistakes. While in SolidWorks you can
Yes, I know that one because that one.
you can define. Yes.
I read it.
Okay. Also about rendering and use Lumion. Okay. Now in SolidWorks also you can do that. I will show you something export from SolidWorks. This is our site. This is our previous project. This project has been designed by SolidWorks. This is the SolidWorks model. Okay, not a real. Okay, and has been rendered with something called KeyShot. KeyShot. Okay, KeyShot have a special plugin into SolidWorks. Have two icons into SolidWorks. You will get when you model your assembly in SolidWorks and just click on the icon in it. It will open automatically. Will open the KeyShot and import the model and get a link between them. So any change you will do here will be updated in the other side. Right? Then something like that. See? This render is a KeyShot. Okay, and this model has been designed by SolidWorks. Okay, another thing. This model has been designed by SolidWorks. Okay, and this render with KeyShot. I will show you. This has been rendered by KeyShot, and this design has been designed by SolidWorks. This is a not real image. This is a rendered image. Okay. Alright? So you have a full solution. No, you only will use AutoCAD with the SolidWorks to export for your laser machine or router or something like that. Only. Okay?
Yeah, if you are drawing between design and manufacturing, why to draw two times? If you can draw, you can design and render out of one program that you can use it in manufacturing, then why to go to 3, 4 softwares? Once they designers design it immediately on.
You see, sir, they use the SolidWorks and they use the KeyShot.
Yes.
The SolidWorks, they use the for modeling, and they use the KeyShot for the rendering.
Rendering, yes.
So they use still the same software, of course.
Yes.
So you cannot use something rendering. and
No, but
then-
the software will automatically generate it. So one click that transfer this drawing to rendering the
Yeah.
solution. Yes.
Something like that where we use also the SketchUp and
SketchUp.
Lumion.
But the issue of SketchUp, you cannot do workshop drawing. You need to do this. You can
Yes, I will demo it.
generate.
Yes, yes, you can. I will show you also about sheet metal. Okay, now if you need to draw a something of sheet metal, that's the project that you have there, cabinet. Okay, now I'll show you something like that. When you go to sheet metal, specify thickness 2 millimeters. Now edge flange.
You just put the thickness of the
Yes.
material.
And he will generate automatically or connection between pending. This means that you haven't the problem when you model 3D model here with a sheet metal, you will see if this will become on the pending machine or no. Will we have a problem pending process or no? Okay, according tools. Okay, and now also you can specify which tool you will go. You need a thin tool, you need a thick tool, okay, and which radius you need. Also, if you need a hem. Finally, flatten. You will get the flatten. You can get it like that. Export to DXF and DWG. Okay, sheet metal, bending lines. He will generate. Also have a bending lines if you need to on the laser cutting machine to do notches on the right to be identified on the press brake machine. Save. Has been saved here as a DXF. You can open it. This software, like AutoCAD, has been produced by the Solidworks company.
So that file format that you can cut that into
Yeah, directly, one shot. Haven't a problem. Like AutoCAD normally, if you have AutoCAD, you can get it and open. Haven't a problem. Okay. Okay, and these are pending lines. Here's a fully manufacturing solution, design and manufacturing. Right? In the same time, it's very easy to do, no problem. If you need to do a drawing for this file, workshop drawing for pending machine, you will save it and get it in the drawing. First, the flatten. See? For pending operator, can see that and no, down. This means that this pending will be down. Okay, down 90 degree with a radius 0.8. Okay, this up 9 degree with a 0.8 radius. Automatically generate pending directions. Okay, and its angles. You can specify dimensions. Also you can do that and get another view automatically will be generated, having to draw anything on AutoCAD. You can get a section. Okay, and get more depth dimension for inspection, quality control after finishing your product. And have a table with all data, with material, thickness, weight, volume, quantity, drawing title, drawing numbers. This is a workshop drawing. Okay?
This is much easier. Perfect. Much faster than the
Now I will show you something for assembly. Some of our projects are running now already. This is a Foley machine of plastic dryer.
You can rotate each
Yes.
single part.
Rotate and check our connection. If and check here if we are okay. In the frictions, you have a standard parts, bolts, nuts. It's a standard. Okay, you have a big library of toolbox. DIN standards, ISO.
The library is built in.
Yes, built-in library.
You can add and you can remove.
Yes. Okay. Also, if you need to open a countersink, okay, and you don't know exactly what's the degree of the screw, okay, you haven't to weight the screw when you will buy it. You can automatically put it here from these standards, because there's a standards. If you buy it from the market, you will get the same dimension. Okay. Like bearings, like. Also, if you have a bearing, power transmissions, chains, gears, also chains. With a standard, with the numbers, number of teeth, the pitch.
You can get structure analysis.
Yes.
How you test your model? Stability wise, SAP, or you can do it?
No, internally.
You can do.
Yes, you
load
can do
calculation.
internally on SolidWorks. SolidWorks has bought Cosmos. You know Cosmos? SolidWorks have bought Cosmos company, Cosmos Solution, and use it now. Internal SolidWorks simulation.
They use American standard. Cosmos.
Yeah, American standard or your standards according to your
British standard.
yes,
They
British
work
standard.
British
Okay.
standard. So you can do load calculation.
Yeah. I will show you something that we did for a company with our job. This is a mold design die, sheet metal die. Okay, has been designed and all mechanical solution. I will see the motion. This is a mechanical design. You can test it. We test all slides mechanically of okay or no. Okay, assembled and tested. These all parts, all standards has been assembled with its nuts and screws and all fittings for pneumatic and valves and pistons. Pneumatic pistons.
These pistons are standard.
Yeah, from the company. Specifically refers to RH, which company you need. Have a catalog and 3D model on the site. We'll go to site and get the 3D model and put it in SolidWorks and build your rest of project. I will show you. This is another mold, another die, and I will show you the real photos after has been finished and delivered to client. This is the die. Just do that. Do this notch in this sheet metal. Okay? This die has been delivered with the same and running good.
What's the thickness, Rayman?
1 millimeter. Sheet metal thickness 1 millimeter. According to client request. These are parts.
Pistons or normal?
No, normal. Just this is a press, synthetic press, mechanical press. Okay. And these are parts has been manufactured by CNC. This is a final result after cutting. All these parts has been manufactured by CNC, exported from Solidworks. Okay. And this all parts has been drawn. Also, when you need to test your parts, if we will do something like that, an example. You will get material, specify material, edit material. You have almost of materials, standards. You should specify material, stainless steel, for example. Cut. If I need to test, load test, I need to test the load. If I will fix from this point, okay, and I will apply load on the another point, okay, with this thickness, and the material is stainless steel. What's the effect? Okay, will be broken or no? Okay. Static. Okay. Have a material, fixtures. I will fix it from here. External load, force. On this only. In this direction with a metric or English according no. Force will apply it on this point, okay, with 1 ton, 1000 kilogram. Run. Now I have a result. Okay, stress, vomices, and we will explain what's that inside our yield strength, okay, and how you can read that to know. Displacement, millimeter. After one ton, the full displacement 0.8 millimeter. This means here, if I will get a piece of stainless with this dimension, okay, and they will apply the same loads, you will find the same displacement. The error between computer and real and reality, okay, according approximately 2% only, plus minus, 2% only, plus minus, according material specifications. Now you can decide if this number is suitable for you or no. Okay, if this number not suitable for you, you will need to increase get another run. .18, not 0.8. This means the number of deflection has been reduced. Okay. All right. This is a quick demo about our topics.
How you get out analysis or the reports that you can get
Ah.
from this test?
Finally, yeah. Report. You can get a special template for your factory. Okay. You put your logo, URL, company name, designer, address, phone, fax. Okay. And A4. Publish. He will write in words.
Preview works.
Yeah.
Okay.
Type of solver type. Mechanical properties of material: its yield, elastic, Poisson ratio, mass density, shear modulus, thermal expansion. Full report from 10 papers. You can convert it in PDF and print it, okay, or send to client. Okay. Any query before start? Any question? Any clarification?
Generally, you understand how you can use.
What the software will serve us.
To study the software.
As what I see, you need to click.
No,
It's all available. You just need to study it. You cannot just try to practice it before you study. If there is any guide that we can keep it to refer if any question we need to ask.
In YouTube, there's a lot of
There is guide.
yes.
You need a guide. Yes, a guide have here. You haven't to print guide. You can use this tutorial or help. Tutorial is a good guide for you. Okay, getting started. You will find introduction to Solidworks, AutoCAD and Solidworks, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. You can use it as a guide if you.
What you can import to SolidWorks? AutoCAD only?
Yes. No. AutoCAD, other softwares, new. I will show you. Open. All these
It can
extensions.
take it can take 3D Max.
Yes, 3ds. You can export from 3D Max to SAT. You can export to SAT or IGS. Okay, from your Max. If you have a Max file, we can try. You have a Max file?
yes.
Give me.
You save any.
Save it into SAT and IGS and step file. These three types.
SAT,
IGS, IGS, step, SAT.
IGES, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CAD, IDF.
Can import only Photoshop file, PSD.
Okay, Illustrator as well.
Adobe Illustrator. If you have a logo and needs the logo will be manufactured, will be put in 3D.
This is our biggest issue.
Yeah, you use it. Yeah.
Because all what you see is all here, mostly in signages and display, and always you need to AutoCAD.
Yeah. Okay.
And to import from Illustrator to AutoCAD you always have a problem of sharpness of
Yes.
the edges.
No, you can import very clean, very clean. Also, you can import DXF, DWG, and other softwares.
Fine, then if it can be imported from 3D Max, but it doesn't have SketchUp, yes?
SketchUp, you can export from SketchUp Parasolid. You have the SketchUp file export Parasolid XT.
XT.
Yeah. Would be import A. Yes, Parasolid. XT, XP, XMT, TXT, XMT, PIN. You have all these extensions in SketchUp.
So you say if you can draw on SketchUp, and then import. Mostly the logos will have issue, yeah? Or
Of
logos.
course, that one came from the client.
Yeah, but always will have issue with the logos.
Even we import that one, once they have already the file, it's already something like that. The issue is still the client. Like
Yeah, I mean,
like
how
in-
hard to convert writer to a file. This is what I mean. How to make a technical drawing out of Illustrator file. Always you have non-sharp edges, always you
Yeah.
have these issues, yeah?
If you have in Illustrator, the client gave us a solid line. No problem.
But you can, here the good that you can import directly from Illustrator.
Yeah. You can. We can try also. If you have a file illustrator, get the flash from
Allah is
your friend.
getting
And
the,
okay. No problem. I will show you.
one
Okay.
file Illustrator, one file in the SketchUp.
Yeah. One SketchUp file exported to XT.
XT.
XT. Parasolid.
You know how to do it? Yeah?
Before we try that, I will try by the film or something.
What is file?
No,
3D
no.
Max?
For one reason.
Yeah.
If I need to draw a board and manufacture a board and do a branding for the board,
Yeah.
I can get the template from 3D to 2D flat.
With a sheet metal, you need to flat it. Okay. Okay.
For a round one.
Yeah.
Can you do a sample?
Okay. Open that SAT file for just input like that. Just drag.
Drag and drop.
Okay. So for ignition. Which version of Max you use? 2030. Okay. You have IGES into Max. Convert it to IGES, please. IGES. Because this
There
set
is edges.
have IGES. Is have a problem in this file error? No,
Oh,
no
no.
IGES. XLO. No, dot
IGS.
XLO. IGES is the name of the file, but extension is XLO.
XLO.
IGES dot XLO. I will get Illustrator. You have a ball. What do you need? You need to flat it. You will do 1/2 and 1/2.
Yeah. Let's say all 4 pieces.
No, 4 pieces. Is a flat. This is a flat of this shape. Have a total length.
See what's usually happening. We got a football and a demo. The football size was 3 meters.
But how can once it's a very ground folded?
Yeah, but this you cannot apply it on mine and flexible.
You get only the one, you get only the two shaper, but once you apply that one, you cannot apply that.
Yeah. كيف تركبها على الموضوع. شوف اجاني طابع فوتبول بتحمله طيارة قطره 3 امتار و20. اوكي وصنعته وعملت فريمز. اوكي بدي اعمل له كلابينج لاني بدي solid.
تمام.
كيف بدي اعمله solid؟ كيف بدي اشيل التمبليت تبع
يعني عملت شرحات.
ايه
تمام.
او هكساجون او وات ايفر فيه شيء سوفت
لا هو ممكن تقسمها نورمالي، او يعني هي لو 3 امتار 3 متر automatically change the flatten.
I export in IGS, I sent the IGS, then I think about this.
Alright.
I sent another one set for now.
Alright. Another set?
Yes.
This is a normal T-put. This is a standard model of 3D Max, yeah. Okay, also surface. Import it into more surfaces. If you can go to this surface and you can use it. And add point. So you can use like 3D Max meshing.
Yeah, you can. Let them come in. I have some maybe at 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can model in meshing, get point like sculpturing. You can edit normally on the file.
In the Solidworks, there's a smooth command like that. Always in the 3D mouse of
No.
Smooth command field.
No, smoothness you can do for the orders that created by SolidWorks, okay? But this imported from another software, okay? You should multiply in new V, okay? Increase the line in U and V direction before importing it, okay? You can draw another one. You can draw another one with the SolidWorks according to this dimension. You can use that. Okay, you can use this dimension to draw another one SolidWorks. But if you need any additions to do any addition you need, like we did now, okay, you can do it. Okay, but smoothness, it's very hard to do because it's imported from another file. You can't process another point imported from another software. He will process. He need to the processing all points, okay, to regenerate. According to this, you can do that. Okay, and create pattern. According numbers of slides. You can do like knife. If you will do something good. Another idea. It's like knife. Okay. And repeat it normally. And you can split any two. Using one of them, get this split it.
فيك تشيل هاي بس شرحها flat.
Yes, you can remove, delete all these bodies. Also, you can delete these faces. You don't need. I should select this. No, wait. I should select delete. The first delete, not the last delete. Okay. Solidworks. trim. So, also can be as a construction file. If you need also to get specific angle, you can do here in dimension as an equation like example 360 divide 20. He automatically will calculate dimension. Okay, you didn't need any calculator external. Surface extrude. We will only get this piece with something called trim surface. We will trim with this and remove this. Yes. We will flat.
This is your factor. You see how this for the brandy? You remember what happened with the football that we were doing?
This is a dimension. Is 470, 470.
If you mirror down and you repeat, you will have the full football. Round circle.
Okay.
And you are not using any calculator, you are not using any plugins, you are not using anything. You just all create from